Okay, you can see right here I've sawed the end off a 1/2 inch grade 8 bolt, and I'm going to try to weld it right there. Now, as long as that is, it will go through the wedge and it will go into the hole in the top of that axle, and there's a hole right up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I'll try that weld. I'm going to use my fancy new welder for that. See if I can get that stuck on there so that I feel good about it. And we'll try that. Alrighty, I took that off and ground the threads down on it to try to make it where it would slide down in there without any friction. And it looks a little like it's crooked, but if it is, it's not by much. And there's a little gap there, which I'm probably going to appreciate having a little gap to try to get some weld up into when I go to weld that on there. So I think I'm going to scratch me a little grounding spot out here somewhere, and then see if I can stick a little weld right up in there and see what it looks like. I may have to file on it some to get it to all fit together the way it's supposed to. But we'll work on that some more, and I'll be back. So usually by a certain time of the day, I think it's time to be quitting time. And I like to go in the house and get cleaned up and sit around with my honey baby and my dogs. You know, if you got a good wife, you need to spend a little time with her. You can't just ignore them. Look how pretty. Look how pretty this is. Oh, I love this. But what I've got is I've got that pin extension in place and a pretty good place to weld it. And I've got that new Miller welder over there that I've really haven't tried using for any trickery welding, but I think that's a good place to try it out. But I think also it might make sense to do that in the morning. Go in and get cleaned up and hang out with honey baby and the dogs this evening, and then come back out here in the morning while I'm fresh. Sometimes I'm a little more, I'm better when I'm better early in the morning than I am toward the end of the day, because in the end of the day, sometimes I get in a little bit of rush and might not do as good a job as I want to. And this is important. It's a very important spot that I'm messing with here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to quit and come back out in the morning and then make sure I like the way everything's set up, and then try doing that little weld. And then I'm going to test it to make sure that that piece that I'm welding goes through the piece, the 4-degree angle piece that I'm going to be putting between the spring and the axle. And then, yeah, we'll do that in the morning. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. I appreciate you. I went over to see Randy this morning. Actually went over and had lunch with him and visited with him a little bit. And I've got a video. A couple of videos he's made that I'm going to be putting up soon. So that's going to be happening soon. Thank y'all for being my friends. I appreciate you. We live in a world where sometimes it's easy to lose friends, easier than you think. The older you get, the more you realize that. So I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. And we'll come at this tomorrow and we'll do some more. Okay? Okay. I'm just sitting here thinking about what I'm about to do with that thing. Okay. Okay.